My God. Si Carlo nila naman going 3 times a week. Na! Ay, ginoo ko magad, malusyang ka, mapiga ka, masumbi ka. Oh, na muna mo mag-away yung perminti, maglayas-layas na siya, kay ka na siya, kundatan, yun na siya, no? So, yan, bago tayo So, ayan, ang ending, guys. Sabi ko, nasuko di kayo sa katan, di ko gusto mo kaon, nasuko kayo sa katan, nanana. Puningon man sila nga, I was being guarded by, you know, the grandpa, my side and the other side. You know, yung mga lolo talaga nagbantay sa ako. Kasi bantayan daw ko, baka unsa di akong buhaton. Okay, feeling na nila, babae na yung binuntis ko. And then yun, palangga kay ko, the whole buntis, away, bidress. Okay, bidress, vitamins ko kuha, alam mo yung vitamins, pambuntis. Then meron talaga akong pampakapit everyday. My God, oo, meron akong pampakapit everyday. Oh, yan, hello Sophia, Dimar, Sophia and Mara, oh my God, welcome back to my channel. Oh my God, Sophia and Mara, welcome back. I'm so sorry. No, why you're sorry to me? You don't have to be sorry. Why you're sorry? Hello, welcome back. Welcome back, Melissa Angela. Alam ko talaga, you know, Melissa Angela is my cousin. Ay, nako, si Melissa Angela. Mamaya, kansawan ako na siya. Ay, ito, kasi nakita ko, where you from? Sabi niya, taga New York siya. Tapos nagkatawa pa siya, no? Si Melissa Angela, yun ni, si Melissa ni. Naka-remember ko, that is her name. That is her name sa una pa. You know, aka Melissa Angela na siya. Sophia and Mara, welcome back to my channel, girl. Oh my God, I missed you. I miss all of you here. Yun lang lahat ng mga kiddos ko. Lahat ng mga babies, ng mga viewers ko dito and interactors, I miss you all. Oh my God, Sophia and Mara, how are you? No, don't be sorry because school days is coming in. You know, the school days is approaching and I really expect you guys to not to be able to watch my live anymore. You know, I know that you cannot be able to watch my live anymore during the school days. Oh my God. Wait lang kasi inano na naman yung ano ko. I have to drink water, okay? Dapat kaya nga ako, kasi kahapon puro ako kain ng milk bar ni Victoria tsaka chocolate. Kasi si Victoria doon, tapos nasore throat na naman ako. Yeah, Sophia and Mara, I miss you here. Thank you so much for being here today. And please don't forget to like, Please don't forget to like this live, okay? Thank you, Sophia and Mara. I miss you. It's been a long time. You know, it's been a long time that since the last time that you interact here in my channel. So when the school days will be starting, I am expecting you guys not to be here, but you don't have to worry about that because I understand, okay? Okay, this is Daphne over here, guys. Ang init na initan ako sa inyo, guys. Sino yun? Victoria? Okay. Hi! So, ayan. So, ayan. Okay, I miss you a lot. Yeah, I miss you too. That's why I remember you. I remember you, Sophia and Mara. I was really wondering, maybe, you know, I've encountered a lot of kids here during my life. And most of them, I really love all of you that interact with me, you know, you kids, because I just love talking to kids. Kasi natatawa ko sa inyo. Meron din ako mga dito, Sophia and Mara, since the last time that I was talking to you, I've met a lot of kids here in my channel, and especially to Mary JC, to Aaron, to Miley, to Roblox Girl, and Jennifer. Yan, sila po talaga yung nag-stay, si Sander, yung mga ganyan, nakipag-interact sa akin. Okay, then during that time, nag-i-enjoy po ako kasi minsan nag-aaway-aaway sila dyan. Alam mo, cute ng mga question and answers nila. And also to my nephew, Game Chaser Whitey. Minsan nandito siya sa live ko. But I also noticed na nagla-live din yung nephew ko na si Aryan. Shout out to Aryan! Oh my God, Aryan! So pag nandito naman si Aryan, I know already that he cannot view my live anymore because he's also doing live to his own YouTube channel at game changer